got a girl like me, I tell you now. Hey, boy. Tell you now. You like me? I'm here.
Oh no, it's your
12-year-old girls, okay. 14-year-old, I'm alright. Yeah, spit off of there.
Let go right there.
Lego. Bounce up. Yeah, junk over there look like boogers. You right there, you little nasty. Right there. No way. Look like a lollipop. Shawty wanna fuck. Bottles in the club. Yeah, look at that thing good. Look. Nah, you lame for that. Big slower. It's still hot. Hot. Look at hot. Slow computer. It's a slow computer. I do this. It don't even keep up with my movement. I'm a Barbie girl. I'm a Barbie girl. AK style. I'm so tired of this life. I'm so tired of this life. I'm so tired of this life. Hey, Sarah, ask me questions.
You a hoe?
Yeah.
You suck dick?
No.
Alright. You a pussy?
No.
You like girls?
Yeah.
You got a girlfriend?
Yeah.
You kiss every girl you see?
Yeah.
You married?
Yeah.
You cheat?
Yeah.
You nasty?
Yeah.
You gay?
Yeah.
Your song stupid?
Yeah.
You got an album coming out?
Yeah.
Smart shit.
Yeah.
Your mom stink?
No.
Smell like doo-doo?
Yeah.
You gay?
Yeah.
Got a girlfriend?
Yeah.
You gay?
Yeah.
Your booty stink?
Wait, okay, right there. Like, I'm not gay.
She got a sign.
Yeah. Wait, no. I'm not gay.
Yes, you is.